Guys, for today's video, meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo. And believe me guys, you would want to watch this video. Kasi this is a new technology, financial technology that would revolutionize our credit card. However, hindi ko siya ma-share totally sa inyo kung sino siya. But I would like to give something na i-look forward nyo dito sa isang bangkong to. So stick around, watch this video, samahan nyo ako, sit back, and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge. Ginawa ko na yung videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas, at kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, to protect my source, we need to make this like a blind item or anonymous. So one of my viewer messaged me sa aking Facebook page and asked me if na-try ko na ba yung bagong feature na to ng isang bank, which is a credit card. So, sabi ko, hindi pa, wala pa akong ganyang offer, and natuwa ako nung nabasa ko yung pinakita niyang email sa akin and the screenshot of the credit card. So, nung binabasa ko to, nakalagay na this is for internal use only and still on a testing phase. So meaning the credit card is still in a beta phase and hindi pa siya publicly available. That's why we need to make this anonymous to protect the brand, dahil syempre hindi pa sila handa to release it in the public. And it's their decision, so we have to respect them. So we are just going to tackle kung ano yung mga magagandang feature and benefits netong promising na credit card. Teka, tanggalin ko lang muna. Init dito di ba? Hapon ngayon so sobrang init. Okay, so ano yung pag-uusapan natin? Apparently, itong credit card na to na ilalabas, na-mention ko na to sa inyo before. Nung pinag-uusapan natin yung debit card ni Ownbank, wherein their plan is to make this debit card act as a credit card also, wherein you only have buttons to on and off or to switch between debit and credit. So, 2 years ago na yata yan nung diniscuss ko dito sa channel ko yung plan ni Ownbank. And apparently, hindi sila nag-follow through dun sa plan nila. Di ko alam kung bakit. Ang alam ko ang plano nila is magre-release na sila publicly ng ATM cards. But until now, hindi pa yata sila nagre-release. Pero sana kung nag-follow through sila, edi sila yung unang naglabas ng card na may option to turn on yung debit or to turn on yung credit. Meaning, yung Ownbank na card na to is multi-purpose. Pwede siya maging debit card, pwede rin siya maging credit card. So, yun nga yung plan na ngayon ay tinitest na netong isang bank na hopefully magkaroon tayo ng access para naman ma-review natin properly. So, ano ba ang features netong sinasabi nilang debit/credit card na to? Okay, sabi dito, pay 0% interest when you settle your bill in full on or your due date. So basically, credit card nga siya kasi when you settle your bills in full, edi wala kang interest na babayaran. This would depart from their current loan offerings na every time nagagamit ka is meron na kagad interest. So, yeah, this is a good development for us, lalo na kapag na-implemento. Kasi it would line up sa mga buy now, pay laters natin na katulad ni Atome, Salmo, na as long as you pay in full by your due date, wala kang babayarang interest. And yeah, since this is a card and this is a bank, so somehow or hopefully credit card and not just like the Salmon's debit card na preloaded with fund. And then, sabi dito, if you have a larger purchase daw, then you can avail that using a low interest only of 3%. That's one of the feature. Then, yeah, it acts like a credit card nga kasi ang credit card limit natin ng interest ay only 3%. Kay Salmo naman, kapag hindi mo siya binayaran in full, nag-minimum ka lang, ang interest mo would be higher than 3%. Like sa akin, nasa 9% yata or 12%, hindi ko na maalala, pero ito na lang. Given this, much better offer to kasi kung straight ka lang tapos kailangang bayaran in full, then you will be charged only with a 3% like any other credit cards. And then lastly, there is no annual fee. And then syempre, other features on debit card nila, which are the cashback, yung mga ganon, pag ginamit mo, will still remain the same. So here is the screenshot of the app wherein you can choose between credit mode and debit mode. Yung viewer natin nabigyan ng 120,000 na credit limit, nakalagay dito 1% unlimited cashback. So hindi katulad ng debit card na merong cap lang na cashback, which is blinerd ko na lang din kasi sobrang pamigay kung sino to, di ba? So anyway, itong toggle between debit card and credit card is already limited to the employees of the umbrella company of that bank. Kung sino lang yung employees muna nung umbrella companies nila, sila lang muna ang may access. And one thing we are sure here is that With regards to security, when you lock your card, automatic frozen or lock din ang both modes, ang debit or ang credit mode. So, basically, basta i-lock lang yung card, walang magiging access kung sino mang hacker yan sa inyong credit or debit. Judging as an outsider, basically, nakakatuwa tong feature na to. But, kung titingnan naman natin yung feature and benefits niya sa isang customer, basically, nakikita ko magandang feature lang dito is the unlimited cashback. Though, with other credit cards, if we compare it, meron naman ding mga cashbacks na available sa mga ibang credit cards eh. So, I don't find this as a special feature ng isang card. Ang very special lang talaga dito is, and sila ang pioneer dito sa atin to implement this, lalo na pag they go on public, is the ability to turn on and off nga yung debit or credit mode. Apart from that, wala akong makitang iba pang magandang features. But that's what I'm just seeing right now based on the information na meron ako. So, kung later on, mabigyan tayo ng access dyan, for sure, re-reviewin natin and we will definitely compare it with other credit cards. Kasi, technology-wise, one of the best card para sa akin in terms of implementing technology with our financial products is CZ. With all those security features, the ability to create more burner card, definitely sila yung may upper hand sa technology. However, in terms of naman na special benefit in terms of credit, like 0% interest, yung mga ganun, waive fees or whatever, medyo naglalak din doon si Zed. So, with this bank, ganun din yung nakikita ko sa kanya. Yes, magandang technology to, but syempre, kailangan din ng magandang benefit to support yung spending ng mga customer. Like for example, magkaroon sila ng convert to installment na 0%, di ba? Malaking benefit yan para sa mga consumer. Thus, it would set them apart from other leading banks na nag-offer ng credit card. For me, it's something to look forward and sana ma-implement nga or ma-release nila to sa public ng maaga nang wala masyadong problema. Though guys, trivia lang, when I searched through Reddit, kung meron ng information na ganito, wala pa. But meron ako nakitang post na sa Singapore daw, ganito ang implementation nila, yung debit and credit. So, yun yung panibagong hint ko sa inyo, meron sila sa Singapore. Okay? Pero wala tayong sinasabi kung sino sila, di ba? So, ano sa tingin nyo? Goods ba tong feature na to o pwedeng kahit wala? Well, let's see once we get our hands on this card. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Raymark Camansa at Raymark Camansa 1250. Ang sabi po niya, salamat sa inspiration, Sir Pat. Wow! Inspiring pala ako. Sobrang pangit ng credit score ko ngayon, as in very poor, nung nag-check ako sa CIBI dahil sa maling desisyon. Well, yeah, don't worry, ako rin naman po, ganun din naman po ako dati. And looking to settle all those debt and rebuild my credit score again. Thank you, Sir Pat. Yeah, I commend you, sir, for acknowledging yung current standing mo ngayon and creating your plan to rebuild your credit score. Ganun naman po tayo eh. Pag nadadapa tayo, the only thing that we can do is to stand up. Hindi po yung nadapa na nga tayo, maglulupasay na lang po tayo. So yeah, I commend you, sir, na you're taking action to improve your credit score. And thank you so much po na nakatulong po ako sa inyo. Kay Raymark Camansa at Raymark Camansa 1250, shoutout po sa inyo and thank you so much po for watching and supporting my videos. Maraming salamat po. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa subscribe para makareceive ka ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!